Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create polls on WhatsApp. So to create polls, first you need to open your WhatsApp application, then you need to go to any group or any context that you want. I'm going to this group, and here in the bottom you can find an attach icon. Click on that and you need to select poll. Here you can see I have got a poll. You can ask your question here and you can add options here. So I'm asking a question in my poll. Now you can see this is my question and I need to create options here. I'm creating some options. Here you can see I just added some options in my poll, and you can add up to 12 options in a single poll. So to create this poll and send it to your group, you just need to click on this send icon in the bottom right corner. Now you can see my poll has been created, and here you can vote which one you want. Okay, the group members can vote whatever they want, and you can see your votes. You can view them from here. Here you can see my votes. All my votes are here. So this is the process how you can create a poll in your WhatsApp. Very simple. So I think it helps you. Thanks for watching this video. That's all for today. Please subscribe my channel.